Good afternoon, student. Today I am going to discuss about the cross product. Here n cap is called as the unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing the vector a and b. So here now a cross b mod equal to a mod b mod sin theta n cap mod. You know that the modulus of unit vector is 1, so it became a mod b mod sin theta. That is your a cross b mod. So it is one of the equations, and it is another form of the equation of cross product of two vectors. Now, by using a diagram, you have to show this direction of A cross B. The direction of A cross B is determined by right hand thumb rule and right handed screw rule. So what is right hand thumb rule? It is your call fingers, it is your thumb. The call fingers indicate the direction of the rotation of A to B, and thumb indicate the direction of A cross B. So direction of A cross B is determined by using right hand thumb rule and right handed screw rule. In this way, determine the direction of A cross B. Now, the geometrical interpretations. Now, the geometrical interpretation of A cross B. A and B are two vectors inclined at an angle theta. Complete the parallelogram OPQR. Now, draw a perpendicular OM on OP. Here B sin theta is the magnitude of B. So A cross B equal to AB sin theta here. It is your base into your height. A is equal to your OP, B sin theta is your RM. This gives you the area of the parallelogram. So in this way, you find out the value of A cross B. Next, example. One is your torque tau R cross F, angular momentum it is L equal to R cross P, where P is your linear momentum, R is your radius vector. Your M is stand for your force. Okay. Number 3. Velocity equal to omega into R. Omega is your angular velocity. You know that the torque, angular momentum, momentum inertia, all are your axial vector. So this is the example of your cross product. Okay. Now come to properties. Properties of cross product. Now the properties of cross product. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. So it is not commutative. So A cross B equal to minus of B cross A. Minus of B cross A. Now distributive over addition. A cross B in bracket B plus C equal to A cross B plus A cross C. Now for parallel conditions, theta is equal to 0 degree. So A cross B equal to AB sin 0 n cap, that is your 0. 4. Two vectors are perpendicular. For perpendicularity of two vectors, it is for parallel. Now for perpendicularity, theta is 90. So A cross B is equal to AB sin 90 n cap. If you take mod, this value became A mod B mod sin 90 is 1 n cap is 1. So it is your simply AB. Next one is your for anti-parallel of two vectors. Anti-parallel. You know that theta is equal to 180. One vector is in this side, other is opposite to this one. And sine 180 0 degree. So A cross B equal to AB sine 180 n cap. Again it is 0. Now multiplication of same to same vector. A cross A. It is A sine 0 n cap. It is 0. So A cross A is 0, but A dot A is A square. Now the product of the orthogonal vector I dot J is 1 1 sin 90 n cap. So n cap is equal to your K cap, the third vector. J cross K 1 1 sin 90 n cap. It is also equal to your JK to I. Similarly, your third one C K into I cap. This is your J cap. Now same to same vector I cap into I cap. 1 1 sin 0 n cap 0. J cross K also 0. K cross K also your 0. Okay. Similarly, we take the product of other. You know that I cross J is equal to K. So J cross I, the reverse, it is minus K. Similarly, other result you see K cross I equal to J cap or I cross K is equal to minus J cap. Similarly, other one J cross K into I, the reverse is K cross J is equal to minus I. So look here, it is I, it is J, it is K. I cross J give you K, J cross K give you I, K cross I give you your J. Okay. Similarly, if you move in this way, K cross J, K cross J give you minus I. Similarly, J cross I give you minus K, and I cross K give you minus K. This is all about your cross product of orthogonal unit vector. Now, how to find out the product of two vector? Let A is equal to A1 I cap, A2 J cap, A3 K cap. This is the unit vectors I, J, K along x axis, y axis, z axis, and magnitude of A1, A2, A3 along x axis, y axis, z axis of the given vector A. You take B, B1 I cap, B2 J cap, B3 K cap. Okay. A cross B, it gives you a new vector. This is a format I, J, K. Put the value of A first, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. This method called as the determinant method. So I into with this column and row, your value is A2, A3, B2, B3. Plus minus plus, it is J with this column and row, A1, A3, B1, B3. Now K with this column and this row, it is your A1, A2, B1, B2. Now how to product? Multiply A2 into B3, A2 into B3 minus A3 into B2. This into this minus this into this. Similarly, J, A1 B3 minus A3 B1 plus K, A1 B2 minus A2 B1. In this way, you find out the cross product. Similarly, A mod A1 square, A2 square, A3 square square root, B mod B1 square, B2 square, B3 square square root. Now, how to find out the sine angle between A and B? Next, how to find out the sine angle between two vectors in cross product? So, sine theta equal to find out A cross B, take mod, then A mod and B mod. Or theta equal to sine inverse A cross B mod, A mod, B mod. Second one, find a unit vectors perpendicular to the vector A and B. Unit vector n cap perpendicular to the vector A and B. So n cap is equal to A cross B by A cross B mod. In this way, find out the unit vector perpendicular to the two vector A and B.